We begin with new details on a breaking story in Butler County. 3 people are dead, 2 others in the hospital tonight, all suspected victims of carbon monoxide poisoning. Good evening. Thanks for joining us at 11. I'm Ken Rice. Investigators found them at a home in Butler tonight. Now they're trying to confirm exactly what happened. Jennifer Barrasso has been at the scene on College Street all evening and has the latest now from investigators.
Ken, investigators haven't released the identities of the 3 people found dead in the house over my right shoulder, or they haven't released information about the 2 people rushed to the hospital and how they all knew each other. Now, neighbors in shock. They tell me that this never should have happened.
This is quite shocking. The cop actually came up and told me that DOA, and they managed to get 2 of them out that were still breathing.
Tragedy inside this Butler home on College Street. 2 men and a woman found dead upstairs. Butler County Coroner Bill Young says it appears all 3 were killed by carbon monoxide, a poisonous gas you can't see or smell. 2 other people were taken to the hospital. Butler Fire Captain Mike Huey tells me no carbon monoxide detectors were activated when they got to the home just before 5 Tuesday. Butler police are leading this investigation. People's Gas shut off the gas meter. Manning Rose and his 6 kids lived next door. He says 3 men lived in the house.
I knew the 3 old guys that lived over there. Carbon monoxide supposedly ended up leaking in the house and no one knew it.
Experts say carbon monoxide in homes usually come from broken gas burning appliances. People's Gas checked for possible sources, but hasn't said what they found.
It's sad. I don't know, really what to say about it, but I mean, just try to be more aware of what's going on around you, I guess, and try to get carbon monoxide readers for your families if you can. It could prevent this catastrophic stuff.
We were trying to find out if this home had working carbon monoxide detectors. Earlier tonight, the coroner tells me the landlord was here. Now, we tried to reach out to him. We tried to contact him, and according to Butler County property records, we called him, we tried to text him, but we haven't heard back. Autopsies on the victims will happen Wednesday, tomorrow. In Butler, Jennifer Barrasso, KDKA-TV News.